Pepsi's iconic branding is applied with precision.
Each nozzle injects Pepsi under pressure, maintaining carbonation while filling to the precise level. The rotary filler works at breathtaking speed, filling 72 bottles every rotation with perfect accuracy.
Bottles are grouped and wrapped into multi-packs, ready for retail shelves and consumer convenience.
Every bottle of Pepsi begins here, where millions of liters await transformation. Raw water enters at high pressure, beginning its journey through 7 purification stages. Sand filters remove sediment and particles, ensuring clarity from the very first step. Activated carbon removes chlorine, organic compounds, and unwanted tastes that could affect flavor. Ultraviolet light eliminates bacteria and microorganisms, guaranteeing microbiological safety in every drop.
Reverse osmosis removes dissolved salts and minerals, creating the perfect neutral base for Pepsi.
Final pH balancing ensures consistency, readying the water for Pepsi's secret formula blending. Millions of liters of purified water wait in these tanks, ready to become Pepsi. Inside this sterile environment, Pepsi's signature taste begins with precise ingredient selection. Thousands of kilograms of pure cane sugar flow into storage, awaiting precise measurement. Hot water dissolves sugar completely, creating the sweet foundation for Pepsi's formula.
Pepsi's secret concentrate formula is added under strict security, creating the unmistakable flavor profile.
High-speed blenders ensure perfect homogeneity, every molecule of flavor evenly distributed throughout.
Citric acid adds signature tanginess, while preservatives ensure shelf stability and freshness. Multi-stage filtration removes any impurities, ensuring perfect clarity and consistent quality batch after batch.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing, meeting Pepsi's exact specifications before moving forward.
Chilled syrup waits in temperature-controlled storage, ready to meet carbonated water in perfect proportion. The journey continues as finished syrup travels toward carbonation, where Pepsi's signature fizz awaits.
Liquid carbon dioxide waits under extreme pressure, ready to give Pepsi its refreshing effervescence.
Carbon dioxide is carefully vaporized and cooled, prepared for precise injection into the beverage. Water and syrup unite in exact proportions, creating the base that will soon become Pepsi. Inside this pressurized vessel, carbon dioxide dissolves into liquid under force, creating billions of bubbles.
Under intense pressure, carbon dioxide dissolves completely, transforming flat liquid into fizzy Pepsi.
Carbonation levels are tested precisely, ensuring every bottle delivers that perfect Pepsi fizz.
Rapid chilling locks in carbonation and ensures Pepsi stays refreshingly cold until bottling begins. Perfectly carbonated Pepsi waits under pressure, ready to rush into bottles at thousands per minute. Thousands of empty bottles arrive every hour, ready to be transformed into finished Pepsi products.
Every bottle is inspected and air rinsed, ensuring no contamination enter the final product.
The rotary filler works at breathtaking speed, filling 72 bottles every rotation with perfect accuracy. Each nozzle injects Pepsi under pressure, maintaining carbonation while filling to the precise level. Caps are applied and torqued in milliseconds, sealing in freshness and carbonation completely.
Pepsi's iconic branding is applied with precision, making every bottle instantly recognizable worldwide.
High-speed cameras inspect every bottle, catching the smallest defects before packaging begins.
Laser systems mark each bottle with traceability codes, ensuring accountability throughout the supply chain. Bottles are grouped and wrapped into multi-packs, ready for retail shelves and consumer convenience.
Cases are packed and sealed rapidly, each one containing perfectly filled Pepsi bottles ready for distribution.
In the quality control lab, every batch faces rigorous testing before any bottle reaches consumers. Carbonation levels and sugar content are verified against exact specifications, ensuring consistent taste worldwide.
pH and acidity are measured precisely, protecting flavor integrity and ensuring product stability.
Microbiological tests ensure zero contamination, guaranteeing safety in every sip of Pepsi.
Trained taste panels evaluate every batch, ensuring Pepsi's signature flavor remains absolutely perfect.
Only after passing every test does the batch receive approval, releasing thousands of perfect Pepsi bottles.
Approved cases enter the packaging hall, where they're prepared for every retail format imaginable.
Shrink wrap technology secures multi-packs while keeping Pepsi's bold branding fully visible to shoppers. Cartons are erected and loaded automatically, each one receiving the exact number of Pepsi products. Heavy-duty tape seals each case securely, ready to withstand the journey from factory to store. Every case receives tracking labels and barcodes, enabling seamless logistics from production to delivery.
Robotic palletizers work tirelessly, stacking cases in optimized patterns for maximum stability during transport.
Stretch wrap binds each pallet into a single secure unit, protecting products throughout their journey. Finished pallets enter the distribution system, tracked digitally as they begin their journey to retailers worldwide. Inside the distribution center, millions of Pepsi bottles wait in climate-controlled storage, ready for deployment. Automated systems store and retrieve pallets with precision, maximizing space and ensuring perfect inventory control. Order pickers assemble customized loads for each customer, ensuring stores receive exactly what they need. At the loading docks, trucks are filled with precision, each vehicle carrying Pepsi to specific destinations. The distribution fleet mobilizes daily, delivering fresh Pepsi to thousands of retailers across the region.
From purified water to global delivery, this is how Pepsi brings refreshment to the world, one bottle at a time.